big myth out there that if you come into a dealership that we are high pressure, we're going to try to push you into the car that you don't want. I think that's changed a lot. There's a lot of discovery now. When we first meet a customer, we're trying to get to know you. We want to know what your needs are as far as what the vehicle has to do for you, what's your family life like. So it's really slowed down from, say, the 80s when you walked in the door and they said, oh, I have this beautiful pink car over here and I think it's the one for you, and just take it for a drive. That's not happening anymore. Today, when you meet a salesperson, they're asking your name, of course, and they want to know how many members in the family, do you have animals, what do you do on the weekends, what do you do with your car? So it's changed from that perspective. I think we still need dealerships only because you can't buy a car online and test drive it online. And a lot of folks do come in surprisingly wanting a certain model, drive it and go, I don't like it. So we introduce them to something else because we know our product line that we feel might fit their needs better. Say no pressure, take it for a drive, and they come back and they go, that's it, that's what I want, that's the car. So I really do think you still need the personal touch.